The 5-in-1 Heat Press Combo is a versatile machine designed to print personalized DIY gifts for various items such as t-shirts, tumblers, glass cans, mugs, hats, and plates. This combo heat press offers excellent value, combining a 12-inch by 15-inch heat press, a 30-ounce tumbler press, a hat press, and 2 plate press machines, all for a fraction of their individual costs. The adjustable tumbler press attachment allows you to print on a range of items, including stainless steel tumblers, glass cans, and ceramic mugs, making it highly adaptable. For ease of use, the machine includes a slide-out drawer design, 1-key mode selection, customizable temperature and time settings, and tool-free screws for quick attachment changes. With a powerful 1200-watt heating element, the heat press heats up quickly and efficiently, ensuring consistent and high-quality transfers. Enjoy Color provides a 3-month warranty on the main parts of the 5-in-1 tumbler press, offering peace of mind and reliable customer support.